Sweet corn is a variety of corn grown for human consumption with a high sugar content. It's a type of corn distinguished by its sweet flavor and tender kernels. They are widely grown all over the world, except in areas with very short summers. Sweet corn becomes starchy easily, so it should be eaten within a few days after picking. Sweet corn harvesting is a fascinating process that involves several steps to ensure the fresh and delicious corn reaches consumers. In larger-scale commercial operations, mechanical harvesters are used to efficiently harvest sweet corn. These machines are equipped with specialized harvesting heads that gently remove the ears of corn from the stalks without damaging the kernels. After harvesting, the freshly picked sweet corn is transported from the field to the processing facility or packing shed. This may involve loading the corn onto trucks or trailers for transportation. Freshly harvested sweet corn is delivered to the processing facility, where it will be washed and quality checked. Any damaged or unsuitable ears of corn are discarded. At the cutting station, the sweet corn ears pass through a laser cutting machine, specially designed to trim the edges of the sweet corn. The laser beam precisely targets and cuts the edges of the corn kernels, removing any excess husk or material. The outer husks or leaves of the sweet corn ears are removed in a process known as shucking. Then the husking machine with rotating rollers and brushes are used to gently rub against the ears of corn, effectively stripping away the outer husk layer. The stripped husk material is collected and typically discarded as waste or used for composting or other purposes. Meanwhile, the cleaned sweet corn ears proceed to the next stage of processing. As the sweet corn ears pass through the kernel removal machine, rotating blades mechanisms effectively dislodge the kernels from the cob. The separated kernels may undergo a final cleaning process to remove any remaining cob or husk fragments. This can be done using air jets or other methods to ensure that only clean, intact kernels are processed further. The sweet corn kernels are then submerged in a bath of hot water heated between 82 Celsius to 93 Celsius. This is called as blanching. Blanching also helps preserve the vibrant color of the sweet corn and also helps to reduce microbial load on the sweet corn kernels, helping to improve food safety. Sweet corn kernels are packed into cans along with water, salt, and sometimes sugar for flavor enhancement, and can be enjoyed in many different ways as part of a balanced diet.